Easy TPMS hack with HackRF. Let me show you how I managed to bring this light on the dash. Yep, that's the low tire pressure warning. Welcome back to TakeApart. This is my car. It has little radio pressure sensors in the wheels called TPMS, aka tire pressure monitoring system. Each sensor is attached to the valve housing and it looks like this. It has its own battery and it sends signal when car moving, when change of pressure or temperature. Please subscribe or you will end up with flat tire. Flat tire is bad, especially when flat only on the bottom. This is my HackRF Portapack H2 Plus with 433 MHz antenna. I will monitor 433 MHz frequency for signal coming out of my tire. So yeah. Let me wiggle that sensor. This should wake that sucker up. And here is it. Burst of signal was sent as the sensor thinks car is moving. Temperature and pressure is normal, so car is happy. But if I start deflating the tire, it should illuminate TPMS light on the dashboard. And I'm recording that low pressure signal or signals with HackRF Portapack H2 Plus. And second one did not bring the light, probably still within the norm. Here is third, followed by light on a dash. That would be something unpleasant on the road. And boom! Pressure is so low that car wants to stop. What a great warning system. I'll stop recording. The recorded file name is BBD_0009. We dropped pressure to only 5 psi, so let me fix it and pump it back up. Crucial step to this TPMS hack. 33 psi should be fine. Now I'll reset TPMS system. As you see, TPMS light is on and it's gone. Cool, we can continue our road trip or hacking tutorial. Check out my other hacking videos and don't forget to subscribe. So I will turn on the HackRF and fire up a replay application. Set frequency to 433.92 MHz. Select the big black, the BBD_0009 file. Turn on ignition. Have a look, there is no TPMS light on dashboard. And I'll play the file. Third signal should bring the TPMS light on, following by fourth signal illuminating warning light. So yeah, I could even capture all 4 sensors and spook my car or wife before she wants to use it. Note, my recorded signal can be used anytime, as TPMS doesn't use rolling codes. This works only on vehicles that have sensors in the tires. Thanks for watching and see you next time.